It is 1:45 p.m. Pacific time aboard Via Rail train number 1, the Canadian, west of Blue River, British Columbia, Canada. I am in sleeping car Draper Manor. We have the following consist: 2 Electromotive Division General Motors / Diesel Division General Motors Canada Limited F40PH-2 locomotives, 1 baggage car, 1 coach number 8108 in a new Via Rail livery, Skyline Dome car 8501, sleeper Sherwood Manor, sleeper Allen Manor, sleeper Draper Manor. I'm in at the moment in one of the open section lower berths. Sleeper Bell Manor, sleeper Hearn Manor,